Is the seat been decided? Has the delimitation been done? Which seat will they contest from? So this is what has to be told to them, and they are understanding this. That's just a farce. It's nothing but a farce, where they are trying to show an impact that the bill has been passed and the party has done it. Whereas the Congress was the champion for this. Late Shri Rajiv Gandhi just started it, and we got it done in the Panchayat also. Did the BJP participate in that? No, they objected it. The leaders like Advani ji, Jethmalani ji, and others, Yashwant Sinha, they all objected to it. So this was the mindset. Tell me how many women are there in RSS? None. So let not BJP fool the women of this country. They know very well that it's only an election eyewash optic, and which they think they are going to encash it. They're sadly mistaken, because women of this country have realized it's just an eyewash. It's a distant dream. The passage already took us so many years, and now further delay. So that means the purpose was not achieved. If there had not been any delay, we would have realized, yes, the intent and the vision is very clear, and the hand-holding for the women started. But no, it isn't. It is just an eyewash, and there's no surety when are you going to do the census, and when will you then ahead start the delimitation.